we present some terminologies that are used in computer programming languages. Define the following terminologies that are used in programming languages. 1. Reserved word. A reserved word is also referred to as a keyword. It is a word with a special meaning and function in programming. Every programming language has its own set of reserved words. You cannot use reserved words in your projects. Examples of reserved words in Scratch include the following: when, if, and, then, forever, not. 2. Syntax. In the English language, syntax refers to the rules of grammar. In programming, syntax describes the set of rules that control how coding blocks can be combined correctly so that the program or project works as expected. 3. Variables. Variables are values that are defined by the programmer in a programming project, also described as a way of storing information in a computer program. It can be explained as a container that the programmer uses to store a value. Variables are used in coding and programming to help coders understand, remember, and use the information in the program. A variable could be a number, a word, a combination of words and numbers, or a phrase. 4. Input statement. The input statement describes what the programmer enters into the computer for processing in order to obtain a result that is expected or desired. 5. Output statement. The output statement describes the obtained result after the computer has processed or performed a task. 6. Sequence. The order of the instructions or tasks to be performed, also described as a series of actions to be performed in a certain order, one after the other. 7. Control structure. Conditions that guide how a program works, also described as ways of controlling how a program works, also described as statements that enable a programmer to determine the order in which program statements are executed. 8. Variable declaration. Declaration of a variable in a computer programming language is a statement used to specify the variable name and its data type. To use a variable, the programmer must declare it, which means to let the program know about the existence of the variable.